How to delete Paramount Plus account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will just show you the way on how you can cancel or delete your Paramount Plus account, so make sure to watch this video till the end. Wherever you search on the internet, when you try to delete your Paramount Plus account, all they will tell you is how you can cancel a membership or subscription. But other than that, you really want to delete your Paramount Plus account and remove your account information from Paramount Plus database. Well, that is a little bit difficult. There isn't an official way, but so instead what we have to do is we have to contact the Paramount Plus support team in order to get help with deleting our account. So in order to delete our Paramount Plus account, under this video I have left a specific link, which is the official support page of Paramount Plus. Do not tap on any other link. Make sure to just tap on that link, otherwise you could be in contact with a scammer. So just go ahead and then paste that particular link over here, which is called help.paramountplus.com/contact/support, and you will see this kind of interface. It says please fill out this form and agent will contact you as soon as possible. So just make sure to fill out this form and fill the information as to why you want to delete your account and so on. So first you have to choose your plan, select your plan and select Paramount Plus or Paramount Plus with Showtime bundle, whatever you have. Enter your first name and your last name as well. So just go ahead and then enter your first name, and after that you can go ahead and enter your last name, enter your email address, enter your zip code, and in description you have to simply type in that you really want to delete your account, not just cancel your subscription. You want to completely remove your data from Paramount Plus database and so on. So they're going to get back to you. Another category section, you could tap on it and select an option called account and registration cancellation, or the other options which is based on the account, and subcategory as well. You can select account creation, account information update, or anything other information such as others and so on. You can also select a platform as to where you use your Paramount Plus, on Android TV, on Apple TV, Chromecast Ultra and so on. So just make sure that what you're doing the case is over here, and just verify the captcha of I'm not a robot. Once you've done all that, tap on the submit button at the bottom, and Paramount Plus, the support team, is going to get back to you with a positive solution and with further instructions on how you can delete your Paramount Plus account. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.